just thank you for clicking this video. And you already know by the title what we doing today. I will be doing my hair for Thanksgiving, even though I know I ain't going nowhere. But I'm doing my hair anyways, just in case, you know, somebody want to take me out. I know what I'm doing right now and today, so we just gonna get right into it. So what I'm gonna do is actually, I wash my hair, so it looks wet, but yeah. So what I'm actually gonna do is section my hair and start blow drying it, and then I might flat iron it because I want to be able to braid my hair down. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason. And go ahead and check out the description button because my socials is down there, and I know you don't want to miss no upcoming videos. So yeah. Okay, so let me show you guys the hair real quick. On bundles, I actually had to pluck I should have recorded it. I had plucked the lace. Let me show you guys. I had plucked it and then put a little makeup on it. I should have recorded it, but the lace actually didn't have no pluckage, if you see it on the lace. So I had did it to my advantage. This is just like a 1/4 of a lace, okay? But we're gonna rock it. And then we got the bundles. This is the 18. This is the 20, and then this is the 22. 22, right? Yeah. It's the 18, 20, and 22. And then the lace, it don't say what the lace is, but I'm pretty sure it's like shorter than everything. But yeah, that's what I got. And at the end of the video, you'll see how that come out. But right now, I'm gonna go ahead and freaking blow dry my hair because I feel like I'm getting my hair. It's freaking getting cold on my head, and now I'm gonna start sniffling, and now I don't need to do that. Okay, so now I'm gonna speed it up because I don't want the blow dryer to be loud and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do and come back. Okay, so now I'm done blow drying my hair. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and flat iron it today. But I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair and then put the oil inside and the roots and then wrap it up till tomorrow when I braid my hair down. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Stay tuned. Don't forget to keep watching. And I'm gonna speed this up. Okay, you guys, now I'm done flat ironing my hair, semi-wet, but now for the put in my oil, and I'm gonna speed that up because I know you don't want to sit here and watch me put oil in, but all I'm gonna do is part it and put it in the roots of it, and then massage it and then let it sit till tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna speed this up, and that's just that. Period. Just stay tuned, like. You see it? He giving looks already. Okay, so you guys, I'm finished putting the oil in. You can tell all the oil is in. I only put it through my roots and let it sit for a couple of days, and that's just that. Okay, so I'm coming back tomorrow and doing my braids, but just stay tuned and keep watching, and that's just on period. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as well, and that's just that. Bye. Okay, you guys, now it's the next morning, and I'm gonna start doing my braids. I'm gonna speed this up, and I ain't even gonna hold y'all because I have freaking small braids to do because I'm trying to keep this hairstyle in for a while and stop freaking on and off with my hair. Like, one minute I want to do it, one minute I don't. So that's how I'm gonna do. I'm gonna speed this up and come back and show you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Yeah, because it is down there. And check out the description button like I said before. And that's just on period. Let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so now I'm done with my braids. I'm going to actually crochet it inside the braid so it won't be out. And that's what I'm going to do, so just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Check out the description button because my socials is there. So yeah. Okay, so if you guys don't know how to do the crochet, I actually have a crochet needle. You open it, you go through the you can go through anywhere, but just go through the hair. It can be closed when you go through it, but okay, so now I'm going to show you guys one more time and then speed up this process. And that's just about that for today. And then, yeah, so what I do, it don't have to be open or closed. You can go through the hair. Make sure it's open when you hook it onto the hook. And then you close it and pull it through. And there it goes. I'm done doing the crochet part. Now I'm just gonna put the cap on and that's it. But I might just finish it today because it's early in the morning and I got up and I was like, let me braid my hair. So I might finish another part of this video today. So yeah, just stay tuned. And that's just on period. Okay, you guys, so I have a wig cap here. So what I was thinking is put it on, and I seen people do got to be glue instead of the spray, so I wanted to try that out. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. And I can do it today. Just put it on here. So what I'm using is a black cap. I might just put makeup on it so it won't be noticeable, but that's not what to do. Put it on there. People just be putting it like that. And then they blow dry the glue. See, I'm gonna cut my ear holes out right now. I ain't trying to cut no big holes, so I just poke it and then size it around my ear. Just like that. And then do the other side, just poke it. Because if you make a bigger hole than it needs to be, oh my god, it's gonna be out of control. Boom. So I'm going to sew the back and then start on the got to be part. And I'm also going to use spritz just in case because I just did. So I'm going to speed this up, me sewing the back, and then come back and do the glue part because I never really did it with the got to be glue, but I did it with the spray. So I'm trying to see if this you know, come out good. We just gonna see. Just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Click that notification button because it's there for a reason. And go ahead and check out the description button because my socials is down there. I know I'm talking fast because I'm trying to get this over with. I got freaking online class and stuff. So yeah. Okay, you guys, I'm done sewing the back. I actually use a color so I can be able to see. Don't mind me. Now I'm just gonna apply the got to be. I'm also gonna be using Grow Protection Solution, which is like you put it on there and get hard. So if you use the glue or any substance or stuff that you know that's gonna take out your hair, you can put that on and it helps. Like it's like a shield. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Do the layers and then come back and show you guys how it's going. I don't know how many layers I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna keep going until I know that it got hard and stuff. My eyes being lazy. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna speed this up and come back. So yeah. This is taking forever, but I got one layer in. But I'm gonna do like 2 more layers and then start putting this on. We're just gonna continue this video, but this takes forever. Okay, now I did like 3 layers. It was a hassle, but a little tacky and it's on there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in and start putting this on. And I'm gonna speed this up. I don't want to bore y'all. I just got a message. But anyways, I'm done. It's so shiny. But I'm gonna take a nap. I'm getting tired. I'm just actually gonna cut this part off, and then once I get ready to start installing it, I'm gonna just cut around this part. So right now, I'm just gonna cut this in the back part because I don't want it to hurt my head while I'm sleeping and stuff. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, in the video in the next clip. But for me, it's gonna be tomorrow. I'm gonna just go ahead and take a nap and clean up. So yeah. Okay, so today is the next day, and I'm actually gonna install the hair. I'm actually gonna do the lace first, and then the bundles because I don't want to do it late like last, and then it don't fit where it's supposed to be. So that's what I'm gonna do. So we just gonna get right into it. See, I don't have hair scissors, so we're gonna have to improvise, okay? Okay, so now I added the got to be on the part so it won't be sticking up. I'm gonna cut it on here. So now I'm going to install the bundles. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. I did the front part. I might end up changing the edges. I'm just doing it just to do it because yeah, I just did the edges so it can lay down. I'm gonna straighten this and stuff when I finish putting all of it in, but for right now we're just gonna go ahead and get into it and finish. So yeah, I'm gonna speed this up by the way. I'm gonna continue inserting it and stuff, and then come back through my edges and fix it up a bit. So just stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it is there for a reason, and that's just on period. Let's get into it. Now I'm just going to straighten up the part and do my edges and then flat iron it. But yeah, I'm loving it. I just got to do my edges right. Okay, you guys, so I'm still trying to freaking fix this, but yeah, I tried making some edges because I forgot to do my edges. I said that already, I think, and that's just that because I have nothing to say. Okay, comment down below how y'all think I'm doing because I'm not really, because this thing's sticking up. Flat iron it and come back because my storage is getting a little full, and then I do got to do my middle part and stuff too. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and freaking flat iron it and come back and actually clean it up because this is not it. And that's just that. Then I'm gonna try to fix my edges a little bit, and that's what I want to do. So just stay tuned, and that's just on period. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And click that notification button because it's there for a reason. And that's just on period. Okay, so I'm halfway done now. So I'm gonna be back. I'm just gonna pop in because and I'm feeling it. Love it. Okay. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm done. I actually did my edges. Well, not my edges, but I tried to make some. So yeah, this is the hair. I straightened it because I was just feeling like this great vibe on it. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed as well. Of course, because I've been saying this whole video, like, why not? You done watched the whole thing by now, so why not? And also, don't forget, I always include pictures at the end of this video, so just stay tuned for that. And that's just on period. Peace.